Hello traders. Welcome to my channel, AM Trading Tips. In this video I am going to be sharing best Forex entry indicator that provides balanced and stable signals. Perfect for most of all traders. Use it for day trading. So let's start to look trading rules of this indicator. But before we start, be sure to don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and enable all notifications, so that you don't miss on any of our new videos. We request you to watch the complete video so that you can get to know better how to trade with this indicator. So let's start now. When a blue dot is appear near the support level on the chart and an arrow is appear after the blue dot, then it will be a perfect buy entry point. Stop loss should be placed last swing low point. Take profit will be next resistance level. Similarly, when a red dot is appear near the resistance level on the chart and an arrow is appear after the red dot, then it will be a perfect sell entry point. Stop loss should be placed last swing high point. Take profit will be next support level. Let's look some perfect buy sell trade setup with different time frame. Here is perfect buy trade setup with 15 minutes time frame. Here is perfect buy and sell trade setup with 30 minutes time frame. Here is perfect buy and sell trade setup with 1 hour time frame. Here is perfect buy and sell trade setup with 4-hour time frame. Free download this indicator, link given below video description. While traders of all experience levels can use this system, it can be beneficial to practice trading on an MT4 demo account until you become consistent and confident enough to go live. Well guys, that's enough for today, and I hope that this indicator will be useful for you. And that this video will help you to earn more. In return, I just ask you to like the video for 2 seconds and subscribe to the channel. It really only takes 2 clicks, but it means a lot to me, and you can also watch my other videos.